Come on. Sit. 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 Like, you try so hard to push me out this car and it ain't working. But you're not going nowhere until you get your leash on. Ah.
Extra treats in my pocket. I thought we didn't have anything to do with treats.
Yeah, she didn't want them either.
Every once in a while they don't want treats.
Well, I stopped and got different ones and she was eating them like crazy.
Yeah, last one wanted them. Baby, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad you got out.
I figured if she's back here next weekend, if she's still here, I might take her.
She was quarantined for a long time.
I might take her again Saturday if she's still here.
She'll be here.
And I'm trying to work with her pulling.
Yep. And she likes to bite leash. And one of the girls here, Cheryl, Cheryl's really worked with her. She's one of our core volunteers.
Like I said, she's pretty sweet.
She is sweet. Yeah, she's sweet dog. Yeah, she, Cheryl, can you just correct her?
Like, I just been working with her pulling.
Yep. Let me,
I noticed when
you don't need, this is all stuff comes back.
Yep.
Okay, let me grab one of the staff members. You stay here, Diane.
Sit. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl.
Okay.
Would she have some kind of surgery or something at one time? Like I see like little scars.
God knows, they're all abused.
I know.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Tell me